In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate API calls with Zapier in just a few minutes, making your workflow more efficient and less hands-on. This tutorial suits anyone keen on freeing up time from repetitive tasks, even if you've never used Zapier before. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Zapier's website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's a quick and straightforward sign-up process before we move on. This initial setup ensures that you're prepared for creating any automations, or zaps as they're commonly called on the platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Zapier homepage. This central hub is where all your automation magic happens. From the homepage, you'll want to click on the section labeled Zaps. This is where you create and manage all your automation tasks. Clicking Create is the exciting first step in setting up a new Zap. What we're setting up today is essentially a new chain of command that automates a process you'd otherwise do manually. Next comes choosing a trigger, which is crucial because it tells your Zap when to start. Think of it as the spark that lights the fuse. After clicking Create, you'll be asked to choose a trigger. This trigger is what activates your automated task, like receiving an email or a new spreadsheet entry. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options and triggers to choose from. But for the purpose of automating an API call, you'll want to focus on customizing your options. Now, let's select the Custom option. This allows you to tailor the trigger precisely to your needs and specifics, ensuring that the subsequent API call is as aligned with your requirements as possible. By customizing, you gain greater control over what sets your Zap into motion, allowing for unique or complex task automation. Then, you'll proceed to select webhooks. This is where things get technical but fascinating. A webhook makes an API call to a web application whenever your specified trigger occurs, seamlessly connecting different technologies in your workflow. Choosing webhooks opens the door to a much more dynamic interaction with Zapier, leveraging the full capabilities of API integrations to automate responses and actions you need. And that's it. You're on your way to effortlessly automating API calls using Zapier. These steps help transform mundane, repetitive tasks into a streamlined process that always runs in the background, saving not only time, but also reducing the scope for human error. Be sure to review and test your new Zap to ensure everything is set up correctly and runs as expected. By automating these tasks, you're now free to focus on other important aspects of your work, leading to enhanced productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating!